This afternoon, we are in Sebring, and I'm excited to show you this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, completely fenced backyard, no HOA. This one is ready to move into. Let's go take a look. All right, so I'm excited to show you this home. You can see it's got great curb appeal. And so it's a very nice, quiet neighborhood, close to everything, downtown. Let's go take a look. Let's walk in here and show you a little bit more details about this home. So we'll come in here. Got a carport underneath there. Nice front porch. Concrete block home. Again, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Very nice open curb appeal. Notice the luxury vinyl plank flooring. You can see it's a big living room here. Lots of natural light, crown molding. Coming into the kitchen, it does some nice upgrades here with granite countertops. Look at all the cabinet space and the counter space. Love the bar stools underneath here. Kind of hang out, have family time. This home is perfect for the young family who is looking to have a place to call home. Tile backsplash, really well done. So what I like about it, it's a split bedroom plan. So you've got a couple bedrooms over here. One on this way you could use as a bedroom or an office, and then the primary suite is in the back. So I'm gonna take you, first of all, just so you can kind of keep your bearings straight. When you first come in the home to the right, here is one of the bedrooms, which again, it's a great office, but you can use it for multi-purposes. It's got the same flooring throughout. Okay, before I show you the other side, we're gonna kick to the right here, right off the kitchen. In the back here, food storage to the right. Here is your primary suite. Huge master bedroom. Now, there's many things I love about this, one of which is this beautiful, check this out, tongue and groove wood ceilings. Very nice. Couple air vents there, so it's nice and cool. And notice all the different things that this room has, with all the beautiful stained window casings. This is all wood, very well polished. Double closet doors. So this is a massive bedroom. Again, they're carrying the flooring all the way in here. So it's ideal. It is ideal for the busy family. Now, before we leave this space, right here is a massive bonus room. You could use it for a playroom, a bonus room. Use it for so many different things. Let me give you the idea of the size of it here. Look at this. Now this has got your ceramic tile flooring. Again, they've got the really nice custom wood ceiling. We're going to show you that backyard at the end of the video, fully fenced. Back into the kitchen. Now here is your laundry room. So you can close this door if you want to. So your laundry is right here. Natural light, and your second bathroom, everything is all geared up here. You got your sink, your toilet, nice shower. You can see it's all been redone. The floor, all the ceiling tile, very well updated. So that is bathroom number 2, if you will. And then we can kind of kick it around over here and show you the rest of the house. But first of all, notice the eat-in kitchen table area looking over the backyard. So plenty of room for a family of 5 or 6. And then this is going to the front of the home. Look at all the natural light, all the beautiful windows, flooring throughout. It's got the closet doors, have been updated right behind us. And then it's kind of cool. It's even got a little place here with mirrors. You can just put a little desk and a computer in. So another thing, you've got to look at little things on homes. Look at this. This is the original, not the wood, but the ceramic tile, which is original. Look, it's in great shape. It's over 50, 60 years old. I can't even count, but it's old, but man, does it look good. Okay, and then here's our other bedroom. So again, 4 bedrooms. Notice all the windows. I've got the light on, but all the windows here make lots of natural light. Closet door is tucked in behind us here. And then here is our second full bathroom. Again, it's been nicely updated. This has the tub shower combination. They ran the tile all the way up to the ceiling. Ceiling, by the way, has been redone, so it's got your knockdown. You can see here, little area for your shampoo. Again, just really nice shape in your cabinet. Toilet area, paint's nice and neutral. Everything is really well done, very well taken care of. So this is be a great family starter home, priced very nicely. You could use it for an investment if you wanted to, I don't know. But we're gonna go to the backyard next and show you just how nice this fenced backyard looks. I'll give you a little bit of a sneak preview, but look at the size of this. Not only that, you can enter it, the main way is through the back door. It does not include the storage shed, but as you're gonna see in a minute, we do have a nice, huge, pavered, massive area where you could put your living room, or I'm sorry, your outdoor patio set, your barbecue grill, what have you. All right, so when you first walk out the back, you're gonna see this really nice pavered area. Couldn't think of the name of it before. It's really like a pavered deck, but you can see they've used put furniture out here. You could put a grill, a couple sitting areas. Man, lots you could do with this. But huge, massive fenced backyard. Got floodlights up here. You can see there's a couple different ways you can come out of the backyard. There's a gate on both sides. So great backyard. Does not include the storage shed. That is going to go with the current owner. So again, fenced backyard, no HOA, massive lot. Here's your other little area. So if you're looking for something that, man, maybe you bring work toys home, or you've got company truck, or just something like that, you need some space, or just for your kids to run around. This is an ideal home. Hey, thanks so much for tuning in. Do me a favor, if you'd like this walkthrough video, I would love to connect with you. Please subscribe to this channel, and let's talk about your real estate needs. Thanks so much. God bless.